Hello, Melina from colorartemotion here. As you see, today's studio is nature itself. I'm just beside the lake here in Stockholm, Sweden. Luckily, there are many lakes around the city, so it's quite easy to find one to paint. This video is not so much about the step-by-step watercolor painting process, even though you'll see that also, as it is more about the experience of painting outdoors, connecting with nature, and enjoying a moment of the day. I spent a few hours in this place, walking around, searching for a quiet place to build up my sketching base and just enjoy the late afternoon and the sunset. The entire video is kept at real-time speed, so you can also hear the sounds of the forest and the lake. Of course, I cut out some parts not to have a super long video, but still I think you get a good overview with all the steps of the painting process. I really hope this video will help you relax and feel inspired to also go out and paint. When it's nice weather, painting outdoors becomes such a wonderful experience, especially if you offer yourself the time to really enjoy the moment. Being surrounded by nature, you get charged with a lot of positive energy, and we all need that. I also tried painting last winter, but it wasn't such a great experience because my hands were really freezing. But today is a totally different experience that I really recommend you to try. If you already tried painting outdoors, please feel free to share your experience in a comment below. I'm really curious to know how you feel about painting outside. What do you enjoy the most? Or what holds you back from going more often? I don't necessarily mean in a forest like in this video, but in your city, a place that is close for you to go out and sketch. I really enjoyed painting today because there weren't so many people around and somehow I felt like the whole place was just for me to enjoy. In today's video, I will be sketching two paintings. The video shows mostly one of them, but close to the end, you can also see the second one. The first painting turned out better because I invested the time to do a few thumbnail sketches and also think a bit about the composition and what exactly I want to paint. During the second sketch, I jumped direct to watercolor painting and I didn't clearly decide where the focus will be, so it turned out a bit messy. Anyway, I like it because it has a certain energy and for me it's a memory of this beautiful place. An advice that I can share with you for when you're painting outdoors is to enjoy the experience and think of the entire process as a way of taking notes and as a way to learn. Don't put too much pressure on yourself and expect a masterpiece, at least not during the first attempts. Painting outdoors more often will build up our confidence of choosing good subjects and paint up to our expectations. But this happens with time and comes with practice, so if you're just starting, focus on gaining experience, learning, and enjoying the process. Now I'll let you enjoy this video and hope you like the sound of the forest. Take this color. This, like this. Okay, I like it. It's just the light. And then of course I can suggest a few more. Okay. Some of this. Hope you've enjoyed this video and that you feel inspired to go outside, find a nice place and start painting. Feel free to share your experience with me via social media or by email. You'll find all the links in the description below.